If you're watching this video, it means you care about your health, and that's the right choice. Simple yoga exercises can bring real benefits, and the best part, you don't need any equipment. So let's begin. Sit upright on a chair, feet flat on the floor. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Slowly raise your arms overhead as you inhale. Reach up gently without lifting your shoulders. Hold for a few seconds and breathe. Sit upright on a chair, feet flat on the floor. Extend your arms straight out to the sides at shoulder height. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Slowly rotate your upper body to one side, looking over your shoulder. Return to center, then rotate to the other side. Move slowly and keep your breathing steady. Repeat this movement a few times on each side. Place your hands on a chair and step your feet back. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and relax your shoulders. Hold this position without moving. Breathe slowly and steadily. Feel your chest and core gently rise and fall. Hold for a few seconds, then relax. Sit upright on a chair, keeping your back straight. Place one hand on the opposite knee and the other on the back of the chair. Gently rotate your torso to the side, keeping your spine tall. Hold the position without tension. Breathe slowly and calmly, feeling a gentle stretch through your back. Sit up straight, feet flat on the floor. Slowly bend forward. Let your body relax. Breathe slowly.
Repeat these exercises at least once a week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next session. Stay healthy.